Hello everyone, this is Jacopo and this is Burnout 101, a complete guide on how burnout works. And I'll be really fast if you want to delve more into details or you want to read it carefully. This presentation, the same one, you can find it down here by clicking download, and you can get access to our Google Drive, so the updated version of this presentation. You should watch this video before actually meeting with us or booking a meeting with us because you can see whether there's a fit between our companies or not through this video. Who we are a stress prevention AI company dedicated to helping businesses create healthier work environments. Our AI-powered processes help businesses understand not only how stressed or the burnout chances of your employees, but also help HR make better data-driven decisions, so your company can make better decisions internally. What we do is we do not use only surveys like other companies, we use wearable devices too. We provide each one of your employees that you want to monitor a wearable devices, and then we will get them back. We can then analyze their heart rate variability, their sleep patterns, their standing time, how many steps they do during the day, everything. They will wear this in and out of office. Based on this data, we generate clear, easy to read reports for both employees and companies, are two different types of reports, offering actionable insights to improve the work environment and manage stress more effectively. So with this, we reduce by far the chances of burnout. Burnout in numbers, 77% of employees experience burnout at least once. Burnout-related issues cost businesses roughly 322 billion annually. And 1 in 4 employees are considering leaving due to burnout. So these 3 points are really negative. We can help you achieve the fourth one, which is positive. So companies with higher well-being scores see 20% plus increase in productivity. So by working together, we can achieve that. Burnout causes excessive workload, lack of control, poor work-life balance. As I said before, they will wear this in and out of office, so we can see if they are recovering at home, they can relax during the weekends and stuff like that. Lack of recognition and toxic work environment, so high pressure jobs. Burnout consequences for both employees and companies, decreased productivity, increased absenteeism, higher turnover because due to burnout people tend to leave and companies lose high top talent. Poor company culture, because if the overall morale is pretty down, is negative, like everyone tends to feel the stress in the air. Our solution is that we help businesses through our AI monitor, which is 7 days period where we get a certain amount of your employees or all of your employees, and we give them, each one of them a wearable device. And these are the main questions that we receive during the calls. So why only 7 days? It's mainly a commitment thing, because after 7 to 10 days, if someone is not used to wearing wearable devices, they tend to forget to charge it, to turn on the Bluetooth, to use the app. So we will then eventually get a lot of data. You will pay definitely more, and we get a lot of data that we cannot use. What about the privacy? So all the processes, burnout in general, is completely aligned with the GDPR compliance. So you can check it out on our website. There's a page dedicated to it. And are the data then shared with their boss or the company in general? So the reports are 2 types, because let's say we found out that an employee sleeps just 3 hours a night. The company or the boss might be not really happy about this. So we create 2 different reports. So the reports for the employees will directly receive a precise and detailed report on how stressed they are on a scale of 1 to 100 and what they can do to reduce chances of future burnout. So we give them advices too. All of the employees' reports are extremely private, and we will give access to them just to the specific employee. After they receive their situation, they can then eventually decide to show it to their boss or whoever's in charge, so they can work together to create a better work environment. The reports for the company are pretty different. So the companies, on the other hand, will receive an aggregate report on the employee's overall situation. The company's report is not just a score on how stressed your employees are, but it also shows which are the main causes of their stress, so that then HRs, managers, company can adjust and improve internally and the work environment in general. This is a step-by-step process. I'll be really, really fast. If you want to read it, as I said, download it down here. Download the presentation down here. So the step 1 is the data collection that we already talked about. The step 2 is the AI analysis. Our AI is extremely accurate because it has all the knowledge in the world, from books, studies, researches, and more and more and more, and is always up to date. Then we create custom reports, as we saw in the prior 2 slides. And the step 4 is optional. It's not mandatory for all the companies, but is a second monitor period after at least 4 months. Usually we do that. And we get to see if the work environment really improved or if the employees can handle stress better. So this is the Burnout AI ecosystem. I will go to the next slide really fast, because this is just to show that we only use the best software in the world, and we use them for a specific reason. So we need a data storage, of course, process data, because the data that we receive are raw and they have missing values, noise, and all these problems. So we need to clean the data to provide it to our AI. We then train our AI with your datas, previous datas, and hopefully future datas, so the AI can understand better the stress patterns. And then the step 4 is that we give our AI access to autonomous and continuous learning, so it will be always up to date because it can search itself and train itself. This is the pricing part, where we get to talk about how much the service actually costs. So at Burnout, we truly believe that our services should be as affordable as possible to give each company and employees a chance to improve their overall health. So this is our claim, and the starting price is €50 per employee. So it really depends on which wearable device you want to use, where are you in the world, and how many employees you want to monitor. For example, if you want to monitor 20, 25, 30 employees, the price will be €50 per employee. If you want to monitor 3, 8, 7, the price will be slightly higher, not much higher, like 150 for employee. The prices, keep in mind, that are VAT and shipping of the wearable devices back and forth excluded. So, but it's really not that much to ship. This is really, they are really light. Thank you so much for your time. I hope I was really clear. This is not something I usually do. My English is improving a little bit. So book a 15 minutes meeting from the pop-up, Calendly pop-up up here above, or from the button. You can see it, you can read it. And I hope we can see in a meeting. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.